guys, today I'm gonna do some makeup. I haven't done a makeup video in a while. It's been like all vlogs because it was Vlogmas, Shankmas. Just got this palette yesterday, this Olivia Jade by Sephora collection. What is it? Bronze and Illuminate palette. I have been pining over this forever. Ever since she announced it, I was like, getting that. I already have my base done, eyebrows, mascara, and some lips. So all I need to do is I'm gonna put some on as eyeshadow, obviously highlight, and then I think I'm gonna use one as a blush. Show you the swatches here. So I'm gonna be showing you the swatches for the palette. This one right here is Twinkie. Oh my god, you guys. You guys. Gonna put it right here. It's so gold and beautiful. The lighting kind of really sucks because it's I live in Portland and it's really cloudy, but I think you can see that. It's angel face. I'm gonna run out of fingers for this. For sure. Ooh, that's pretty. Magic. Definitely gonna run out of fingers. This one's magic here. Ooh. Oh, that's the one she was saying it starts off white and then it kind of has like a gold to it. 18 is the one I'm so excited about. Ooh, that one feels really nice, the formula. I need a little more on my finger. I didn't like press enough. Ooh, that's pretty. So let me show YOLO. I mean, it's a pretty brown. It looks like reddish a little bit, so that would be really nice for a darker skin tone, but yeah, I think that really would look good as an eyeshadow. Do YOLO. It's like a peachy. Ooh, that's pretty too. So those are all of the shades here. Okay, so I think what I'm first gonna do is do blush, and I'm gonna use, okay, I need to get rid of this thing. I'm gonna use the shade YOLO. Hope this doesn't clash because I'm wearing this really bright red, so. Ooh, you guys. I hope you can see that. It's so pretty. It's like peachy and glowy. It's stunning. Okay, this side. It's like still light. You can build it up. This would be stunning like on the eyes too. Oh my god. Lit. Literally. I'm just adding more. You know, because I mean, YOLO. That was stupid. But also, it's called YOLO, so I mean, it makes sense. Don't judge me. Oh my god, I love it. Try 18. I got a little fan brush. I'm really packing it on because, okay, let's go. Stunning. Can you see that? Let's put on some more because why not? You guys, it's so pretty. Like, can you see that? Can you see how glowy that is? Holy shit. Yes. Oh my god, like I always love a good glow. Like I would pick dewy skin over matte any day. So I'm like living my best glowy life right now. Oh my god. Shit. It's not like gonna be a lot of cursing on this channel apparently. Go into the bronze shade Legal. I'm gonna use it as some eyeshadow. I need my mirror here. So that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna put it into the crease. I'm not like a beauty guru, so don't judge me. please. I just like makeup, okay? That's really pretty. I mean, I don't do a lot of eyeshadow anymore anyway. I just kind of throw something into the crease just to give me a little bit of like color and whatnot. So this is perfect, honestly. I think I'm gonna use, what is it? Angel Face. Focus, yeah. Let's put that right in the middle. Oh my god. Right? Oh my god. That's beautiful. I love it. That's it. Now enjoy this montage of my face.